Hello, welcome back to Brain Equations. Today we are going to solve the question 2 over 3 to the power 2 over 3. We need to find out the value of this expression. Let's start our question. Now we will write 2 over 3 to the power 2 over 3. Here we will use a very well known rule, that is a to the power m over n. We can write it as nth root a to the power m. M will become power and n will become the root here. So we will use this rule here in our this step. So we will write 2 over 3 square, and this 3 will become root, third root. So in our next step, we will write, we know that a over b to the power n, then when we can write a to the power n over b to the power n. So from here we will use this rule here, and we will write third root 2 to the power 2 over 3 to the power 2. So from here we can write, we know that we can write 2 to the power 2 as 4 and 3 to the power 2 as 9. So it should be big. So here we will use another rule, that is if nth root of a over b is given, then we can write nth root of a over nth root of b. We can separate the nth root here. So we will use this rule again here in this step, and we will write third root 4 over third root 9. So from here, what we will do, we will use another step, another rule, very well known rule, that is if 1 over nth root a is given, then we can multiply nth root a n minus 1 over nth root a to the power n minus 1. So we will use this rule here in the next step, and we can write third root 4 and third root 9 into, we will write third root 9. Here our n is 3 minus 1, and here again n is 3. We can write n 3 minus 1. So from here we can simplify this in our next step. 3 square root 4 into third root 9 to the power 2 over third root 9 into third root 9 to the power 2. So from here, from a very well known rule, another rule, that is if nth root ax into nth root ay is given, we can write nth root a into ax plus y. So we will use this rule here. We will use this rule here. We will write third root 4 into third root 9 to the power 2 over, we can write third root 9 to the power 3. So from here we know that if nth root of a to the power n is given, then we will get a, the simple a, because n, this n power will cancel out with nth root. So this n third power will cancel with the third root, and we will get here 3 root third root 4 into third root 9 to the power 2 over 9. So here we know that we can write 9 square as 81. So from here we can plug in this value. We can write 81 over 9. So we can write 81 as 27 multiplied by 3. So we will write this value here, that is 3 third root 4 into third root 27 into 3 over 9. So from here we can write, third root to 4 into, we use this rule here, we know this rule, that if n to the power nth root to the a dot b, a into b is given, we can write nth root, we can separate them, nth root a and nth root b. So we will use this thing here in this part of the expression. So we will write here third root 27 into third root 3 over 2, 9. So here we know that 27 is equal to 3 to the power 3. So we will write this, plug in this 3 to the power 3 here, and we will get 3 to the third root into 4, third root 4 into third root 3 to the power 3 into third root 3 over 9. So from here we can write third root 4 into, this will give us, we know that if nth root of a to the power n is given, we get a. So here we will get 3 into third root 3 over 9. So this 3 ones are 3, 3 3s are 9. So here we will get 3 third root 4 into third root 3 over 3. Here we know that if nth root of a into nth root of b is given, we can write a into b nth root. So here we will write 3 4 into 3 over 3. So from here we will get third root 12 over 3. So here we had 2 over 3 to the power 2 over 3. So it is the simplified form of the expression 2 over 3 to the power 2 over 3. So it is the answer of our question. It was a great question. And we had used different steps here in which we used different formulas, different rules here, and we then use these rules, and remember these steps are very important in order to solve this question. Hope you liked my video. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel for more solutions. Till the next video, bye.